Hi, I am Dheeraj Paul, connecting with you guys from my sweet home in Delhi.
Hello, all, my dear Alpha community. Here I am at my home, proudly isolating myself with my family in Coimbatore.
Hi, I'm Gautam and I'm in Goa.
Hi, my name is Katki Gonsalves and I'm currently talking to you from Ooty in Tamil Nadu, and we are currently on our third week of lockdown.
Hi everyone, I'm speaking here from Guwahati, Assam.
Hey guys, I'm Laksh Chawla and I've quarantined myself with my wife and my pet at our home in Gurgaon.
Hi guys, this is Potriya Venki from Hyderabad.
How did this impact? So, as you all know, I'm a wildlife photographer, which involves a lot of traveling, and so because of that, I had to cancel 3 of my group tours and 4 or 5 of my personal trips. And also, you guys know I upload pictures, good pictures. I try my best to upload good pictures every day. So yeah, I'm kind of running out of good pictures actually to upload. Almost nothing left.
The last few weeks have of course been tough on all of us, but I'm trying to use this time in the most positive way possible. I've been of course spending a lot of time with my family in person and virtually, taking really long walks with the dogs, and doing all those things I've been meaning to do for so long but putting it off with the excuse of not having enough time. So all those books, all those skills that I wanted to learn, all those things that I had to update, all those photos I had to set and process, I'm doing all of those right now.
During this time when we don't have much work and we are basically sitting in our home, I'm trying to, or both of us are trying to get inspired by looking at others' work, going through different websites, looking at different photographers' portfolio, trying to get inspired. And at the same point of time, we are trying to curate our portfolio so that when the lockdown ends, when things come back to normal, we can have a better portfolio to showcase to our clients. And we are trying to learn new techniques as much as possible so that when we come out of this lockdown, we come out strong.
The way I've been able to stay sane these last 2 weeks during the lockdown is in taking immense pleasure in the little things around my house, the birds in my backyard, going through my archives, researching and actually beginning to write my book, and enjoying my daughter who is back home from college.
I think the lockdown has really given us the opportunity to slow down, breathe, and be grateful for everything that we do have in our lives today. And also, it's given us the time to look into creativity, into all the things that we've always wanted to do but we couldn't do in the past.
Lockdown is a great time to find inspiration, look for inspiration, look at work online, read a book on photography, look at the work of masters, and be inspired.
Okay, like everyone else, my life is also being affected by this pandemic. Okay, but I'm just trying to utilize this time to develop myself.
Being at home, I got connected with my A7R4 and I started exploring all the options. I analyzed their importance.
So, guys, here's my suggestion. When you limit yourself with what you have, I always believe that it sharpens our creativity. Yes, guys, it worked all the time for me. Most of the time when I travel with a particular wide angle lens or a particular telephoto lens so that I can think of something only in such perspective. So yes guys, it works all the time. Be happy that you guys are at home. Keep clicking something, keep exploring something, follow the beautiful light, and yeah, you know.
We humans are highly social beings, and the inability to meet each other is surely going to impact our mental and emotional states. But now, more than ever, is the time to connect with your loved ones, your friends, and your followers. Spread positivity, show them the love, and tell them how important they are to you. And we got all kinds of technology to help us do that from the safety of our homes.
During lockdown, keep your cameras ready because pictures are everywhere. So if you have your cameras ready, you can create pictures at home as well.
I think it's very easy to say to stay positive, but I think the only advice I could give is this is that rare opportunity to spend time with yourself and to just do a deep dive into who you are as a person, as a creator, as someone who's creative. What is that one thing that you want to say? Storytelling, I think, is going to be key to the way all of us emerge from this lockdown and this pandemic that's really, it's covered the entire planet. no one has been spared. Everyone has been touched by this at varying degrees, and by sharing stories, by really reaching out and in a genuine way, letting everyone know that, yes, we are all vulnerable. We all feel, we all love, we all fear. And I think to have that empathy across the globe, across borders, is something that will make the planet, make the world a gentler place.
Never take things for granted, always be present in the now, and every dark cloud has a silver lining.
And I think everyone must remember this thing, that this lockdown, this coronavirus pandemic, it has taught us that we are not above nature. We are not the master.
So we'll all come out from this strong and steady. So just hold on tight. We'll all be out there very soon and doing some amazing stuff.
The message that I would give the Sony Alpha community is to take it one day at a time, one step at a time, to enjoy the small pleasures and to stay positive, stay creative, and stay safe above all.
They say time is money, and the world just gave you a lot of money. So utilize this time and educate yourself. Everyone out there, stay positive, stay creative, and stay safe.
So I think one of the lessons that I've learned to try and stay creative, to stay inspired is, all of us are down to the bare minimum almost. So to actually live within and to create within the limits that you have, the natural limits that you have around you, and to truly express yourself through that, because more is always not better. And in this case, I think because we are working with such constraints, this limitation is going to strip away all the fluff and really get to the heart of creation and what you want to say, the stories you want to tell.
As a photographer, we always keep complaining about the fact that we always tied up with client meeting, traveling, shooting and editing, and never get to deep dive into our creatives. But this is the time when we actually explore our creative engines. So instead of panicking for what's there in the future, let's enjoy our present. Let's look at some phenomenal work done by our peer group all across the world and take inspiration, because you can only inspire others once you get inspired by others. So stay positive, stay creative, stay safe.
Stay positive, stay creative, stay safe.
For sure, everyone out there, stay positive, stay creative, and stay safe.
We're definitely going to beat this. Till then, stay positive, stay creative, and stay safe.
Stay positive, stay creative, stay safe, stay healthy.
Stay positive, stay creative, and stay at home, guys.
Stay safe, stay positive, stay creative, and yes, stay connected with your friends and family.
Stay positive, stay happy, stay connected with your family, try something new, learn something new, and stay safe.
Stay safe, guys.
Stay creative, stay positive, and stay safe. We are one big family and we're all in this together.